Hello guys, greetings to everyone and welcome to Ngando Graphics. In this video I'll be showing you how to design a simple Easter flyer. Okay, so let's move into our Pixellab application. Once we are in, we'll just need to delete this text. So the next thing is I'll be resizing this canva. So I'll click on image size. I'll be setting the width 1 to 80 and the height to 900. So now I'll be bringing in an image which I'll use for the background. So once it's in, do not touch anything, just click on relative size and set both the height and the width to 100%. Okay, and we'll just need to close this. And then we'll save this as an image. Remember, always save as Ultra, which is the highest image quality in Pixellab. So we click on Save to Gallery and we move into our Pixellab application. So we click on the add. Let's look for the photo. Let's see. Move to all photo. I'm going to locate that background. Okay, so this is the background image. So once it's in, we'll need to click on add photo. Once you click on the add photo, let's select the image which will be blending to this background. So this is the image. So once I select the image, I'll need to click on add, which is at the top right hand corner. Click on the check mark. Okay, so let's move into blend, and the option I'll be choosing is add. So the next thing is we'll be moving into eraser tool. We click on erase. Let's reduce the hardness and let's wipe out portions of this. Let's move again to the eraser. Let's make sure we wipe out, reduce the hardness and wipe out. Okay, wipe. So let's click on the check mark and so what are we doing now is we increase the size and I'll just place this image here. So click on the check mark. Okay, let's download. Select save as JPG, click on save. So let's move back to our Pixellab because it has been saved in the gallery. So let's click on import. We move to Pixart and we'll bring in the image. So once the image is in, we'll just need to click on relative size. So once we click on relative size, we'll need to enable the height and the width to 100% and we close to this layer. So next thing is I'll be importing the image I'll be using here, the pastor. Okay, so is this image. I'll just crop, okay, reduce the size and just place it here. So the next thing is I'll be adding my text. Change it to capital letters. The font I'll be using is Montserrat Medium. Alignment to center and reduce the size. The line spacing. And I'm going to the alignment to center, okay. So the next thing is I'll be adding the image which I'll use for the text. Let's say Easter, which is it. We change the font to Catellos Demo, and ensure that the size is set to 121. So we set the size to 121, okay, and let's place it here. So we copy this and change the text to Miracle. Reduce this to 90, let's say 98. Let's bring the image of the pastor in front. So this to 98. We'll be adding another text. So the font I'll be using here is called, we have the Revalina. I'm going to make available the font under the description. Okay, so this size to, we'll be setting this size to, let's say 98, and we place it here. So let's add now a shape. Let's add this shape. So let's move it behind the pastor. Make sure that we close this. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing here is I'll be adding this shape, and I'll change the color to red. I think this. Reduce the size. And place it here. So I'll write in the date here. We have Sunday the 9th April. Change it to capital letters, and the font I'll be using here too is Montserrat. Yes, Montserrat extra bold. Okay, so I'm going to align it to the center, and I'll reduce the line spacing. Reduce the line spacing. Let's check the size. Too big. Let's go back and adjust the line spacing. Okay, so I think this is okay. And I'll copy this and change this to 2023, the year. So let's increase the size of these two. So I think this is okay. So let's position it well. So the next thing we'll be doing here is we'll be adding the name of the pastor. This, okay. We have, wait. So the font I'll be using is Montserrat Medium. Let's go to recent, Montserrat Medium. And I'll change the color to red. Okay, so let's see 28 and we'll place it here. So the next thing I'll be doing here is I'll copy this. Let's copy this and change it to the time, which is 8. Let's say 8. We change the color to black. And location we have church auditorium. So I'll be bringing in the location icon. Let's bring the location icon. This location. So I'm just going to erase this. Let's reduce the size of this to, let's say, 7. Let's reduce this and adjust it properly. So let's change this color to black. Okay, so I think, let's see. See if we can add the contact info. We have so now we'll be adding a line, the spacing here. Well, it's spacing, okay. Let's just delete this. Let's delete this. We have the code plus space this and reduce. So we'll place now this here. Let's just reduce this line spacing, and we move now this. So now for the call icon, let's get a call icon. Okay, change it to green. Let's move it down. Okay, so let's go back and reduce this line spacing. Okay, the spacing. And I think size of 22 is okay. So you see how the flyer looks. You see how the flyer looks like. Okay. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I am going to make available every resources that has been used so far in this design under the description area.